I bet you wouldn't believe me if I told you that you can make a killing on Etsy by selling clip art. Yes, clip art. Those cheesy little images your elementary school teachers used to decorate their handouts. But stay with me here, because this isn't just any clip art. This is a clip art special designed for today's Etsy sellers and creative entrepreneurs. It can become an interesting cash flow. See, I've had an Etsy shop for years selling printables and digital assets to other small business owners. It was modestly successful, enough to buy me a nice vacation over here. However, I always struggle to push my income higher or stand out in my crowded niche. That all changed a few months ago when I stumbled upon an interesting strategy: creating targeted clip art bundles. I know what you are thinking. Clip art? Really? But I'm not a graphic designer, you are saying. Let me tell you that today's AI system like Daily or Midjourney can generate tons of stunning, on-trend graphics with just a few text prompts. We are talking about everything from flower moons to space cats, and people can't get enough of these images. They have that perfect balance of humans relating to the familiar while still feeling cutting edge. The Etsy buyers are going crazy over AI images. Buyers need tons of graphics for logos, social posts, product mockups, you name it. Yet few people know how to create these images themselves or have the budget for a designer. That's where the specially curated clip art bundles come in. See, anyone can spit out AI art using text prompts, but sifting through all those computer creations to find the true gems, that takes human curation, an artistic eye, a mind that understands both trends and target audiences. But I know you might be wondering, but don't these AI images violate copyright rules? Short answer, nope. The clip art collections you will be selling should only include images for which you own 100% of commercial rights. With AI generated images which cannot be copyrighted, you become the owner. You are essentially selling licenses for other small business owners to use them too. This is an absolute bargain, considering a single custom graphic from a designer could cost $50 or $100. These bundles provide incredible value, saving customers tons of money compared to hiring a pro. So if you are an Etsy seller or creative entrepreneur struggling to boost profits, I cannot recommend exploring AI clip art bundles enough. The key is identifying those high specific, underserved niches starving for relevant graphics, quilting bee enthusiasts, home decor bloggers, wedding planners. Then create tailored collection bursting with quality AI images to fill their needs. List at a premium but fair price. See some potential sale with friends and watch your shop take flight. Sure, it may sound unconventional selling AI generated clip art to boost income, but these clip art bundles can be a digital gold mine for you, and they can boost your Etsy business. So, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section and I will do my best to provide a reply.